Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can block spam calls or scam calls in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. What you have to do is just go to this call button here and go to these three vertical dots. Click on settings here and go to block numbers, and here click on block spam and scam calls and turn on this button. Now you will not receive any spam call or scam call. You can also turn on this button, and here you can you have two options: block all spam and scam calls, and then other option is available, only block high risk scam calls. So if you choose second one, high risk calls will only be blocked. If you choose first one, block, it will block all spam and scam calls. So it is better to use first option. So in this way you can easily set spam and scam calls to block in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.